Blooper 62. Cut, Jamie. Cue the logo. Yes. First take. Action. Why does it say Himker Official Productions? Because I like Himker Official Productions. Ha 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 ha. No, it's not supposed to say Himker Official Productions. It's supposed to say 20th Century Fox. Next take. What even is this, Jamie? You are the worst, Lone Hanger. Why does it say Himker once again? And why is it Universal this time? Because I like Universal. It's even a lot better than Fox Archive Pictures and 20th Century Fox. And all the other Fox logos. Well, too bad you have to pick 20th Century Fox. Or else you're going to get fired. Let's go to this playlist. Or not. Ow! Cut. Why does it say 20th Century Fox television distribution? Because it's so giant. But that doesn't mean I like it. Yeah, that's right. You gotta accept your likings. And so, cue the logo for me. Cut. No, wait. There's just one more part to it, I promise. Ow! Nope. Next take. Action. Ow! That's it. You're fired. Why would you do that? Okay. 11 months later. Okay, Jamie. If I fire you one last time, you're gonna be fired for good. I'm tired of giving you more chances. Okay, this is my last chance. I was about to say that, but we just started too shortly. Okay.
When everything is changing, you need a store that's a constant. A store with brands you love and value you.
Are you serious? This is the worst. I don't like Cars. I hate the Cars movie. So do I. Then why did you pick it? I don't know. I didn't expect it. Well, then how come you picked it last time then? Well, I still hate Cars anyways. I just also wanted to weird you out with it. No! That is not what you do in a bloopers. You pick one more weird, uncalled for thing, then you're gonna be fired for good. And that's final. I'm not gonna give you any more chances. If I say I'm gonna give you one more, if I say I will give you another chance, I'll be like, oh, I forgot. You're fired. Okay, it's time for me to fire for you. It's time to fire you for good. But I do not want to fire you. I'm over this. You are the one who's supposed to cue the logo. I don't need audiences going up there because they're going to do even better. But I'm pretty sure they'll probably do even better than you. Well, does that mean I'm better than the audience? Doesn't mean that, but I'm pretty sure they might do better. Okay. Let's just go. What is this? What is this? It's 20th Century Fox, but not with Technicolor searchlights. Come on. Please, can you give me the real logo? You pick one logo like this again, and this is gonna be your last chance. Why is 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment and 20th Mixed Craft Date Fox mixed together? Because I wanted you to forget which one was 20th Century Fox. Last chance. What? No! Oh! Now show me the real logo. Thank you so much. You're welcome. What is so funny? It's just so funny whenever on your last chance you get the logo right. So, what does that mean? Nothing. Okay, time for you to get out. Oh, come on. You ruined my streak. You said I get to direct on my own studio. Okay, never mind. Just get out.
Okay.